Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Word Warehouse. Today, we're going to learn some of the most common irregular plurals in English. Luckily, most English nouns are very easy to make plural, but there are some important exceptions that every English learner should know. Let's begin. Most nouns form the plural by adding an S to the singular noun. For example, one book, two books, one car, three cars, one dog, 5 dogs. Some nouns ending in s, shesh, ach, x, or z usually add s. For example, one bus, two buses, one box, three boxes, one watch, two watches. These are the regular rules. However, English also has some irregular plurals, and these don't follow the normal pattern. Let's look at the most common ones. Mouse, mice. There is a mouse in the kitchen. Mice usually live in fields and forests. Mice are a type of rodent. A rodent is a small animal with long front teeth. Some common rodents are mice, rats, squirrels, beavers, hamsters, guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are not pigs, and they are not from Guinea. Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous mice in the world. Man, men. There is one man outside. Two men are sitting on a park bench. The men's changing room is on the right, and the women's changing room is on the left. Woman, women. There is a woman in the garden. 3 men and 2 women have applied for the job. Be careful with the pronunciation. Woman, woman. Women, women. Example: that woman is my teacher. Those women work together. Child, children. The child is sleeping. The children are playing in the garden. Foot, feet. My right foot hurts. My feet are cold. Bigfoot is a legendary creature said to live in the forests of North America. Bigfoot has very large feet. Tooth, teeth. I think I've broken a tooth. The dentist checked all my teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. He was lying through his teeth. If you lie through your teeth, you lie openly and without feeling embarrassed about it. Goose, geese. There is a goose by the lake. The geese are swimming across the lake. Looking for that document was a complete wild goose chase. A wild goose chase is a search or task that is difficult or impossible to complete because you are looking in the wrong place or for the wrong thing. Person, people. There is one person in the office. There are many people in the office today. The people are waiting outside. Die, dice. A die is one cube used in board games. The plural is dice. Example: roll the die. Roll the dice. Many learners only know dice, but die is the correct singular. They loaded the dice to make sure they would win. To load the dice means to secretly change or prepare dice so that they are more likely to produce a particular result. These are some of the most common irregular plurals in English. If you can remember these words, you'll avoid many common mistakes, and you'll sound much more natural. In the next lesson, we'll learn even more irregular plurals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye!